Hi, my name is Arturo Carranza, and I'm a lead operator for our 3 laser operation stations. This is our newest one, our fiber laser, or maxing straight from Turkey. 6,000 kilowatts, so it's lots of power, and it comes with a tube laser cutting also, and can cut 1-inch plate steel. This is our second laser, an Amada Insys fiber laser, 2,000 kilowatts, lacks power, but makes up with it with speed. This is our third and final laser. It's the oldest laser, 4,000 kilowatt. It's a CO2 laser, unlike the other 2 fiber lasers, but still good quality laser. These are some of our finished products that come off 3/8 inch thick steel. It's just one of the many products we come. We usually make a whole bunch of pieces and assemble them together. As you can tell, we go to weld, paint, and different mechanics. The end product could be simple things like the utility toolbox off of utility trucks. We make cash registers, conveyor belts to support base systems. We make ramps, we make brackets for cars, we make all sorts of stuff.